Hi, Chief Inspector. Oh, let's take a look here. Oh, okay. Alrighty, so got green radio number 2 put together. Where are we here? Light, yeah. They're recording? Oh, it is, okay. So we got transformers, capacitors remounted. Nice and tight and easy to resolder, no problem. As you can see, all the caps are in there nice and tight. So, good. I put the tubes in. And there's a couple of tubes down here that go in. I got all the tubes. Check these out, they're okay. They're a little loose in the base, but what do you do with that? Well, the best thing maybe if they don't make tube cement anymore. I don't know if they do. I'll look online tonight. Other than that, probably use crazy glue so it's soak way down in around where it's kind of loose. They're twist out, kind of. I know I got a bunch of these tubes somewhere. But this one's restored okay, no problem. Transmitter, this guy simply will be rewired as well as repainted on the surface. A few spots. And let's see. Drop the shield down. How many of you folks have ever seen something like this with a schematic all engraved out on a sheet? This is, for some reason, on top. Most of the time they're simply outside. So this makes how many, I don't know, 12 I have. Got R220 over there waiting to go in this particular crate or cabinet. So that was great fun. I see all the wiring color codes, no problem. What I normally do is just solder them together and then put a blob or use spaghetti. No problem. No problem, Major, no problem. So I'm getting a load of goodies in. Military stuff only. To be ready for something. I'm getting ready. In the ready to go. I thought you wanted to inspect this, my work. He's a shop foreman, so these are simply for down here what's left over. So they go on top of the capacitors, which are very easy to redo. Well, it's a beautiful unit. They all are, so. Oh, wow. But on the floor I was, so. Too lazy to lift it up and put it on something to work out, so. Oh, well, use the floor. The right EVO, huh? Character, little fella. Alright, so. Put everything back together. The tubes out. I got 4 of them out. 2 safely over there and 2 here. And this piece holds it down, pressed down, so. Amazing engineering for the time. That particular piece down there, Bhutan, needs servicing a bit. Okay. $1,200 in 1962. today's prices, I don't know what that would work out to, but oh well. Our 390s were 12,000 in the 50s. So price goes down, of course. I mean, just like $75 or something like that. Nobody wants to buy them anyway, so a few people buy them, but like myself and Jake and a few others, but other than that, they just wind up on eBay. And they'll be there for a year or more, and the prices slowly drop. Or I get best offers. So, let's see what's coming in. There's a bunch of stuff coming in. Maybe stuff. And something made in Area 51 by an engineer. That's going to be a unique thing. It's a power supply, and it's only $50 and free shipping. So there's a lot of good deals if you're into this stuff on eBay. Who would ever think I'd go eBay or online? Well, I guess I did in '94 when a catalog came in for fair radio sales. I went ballistic and bought a truckload of stuff. Full load, many pallets. Okay, I'm going to shut up and do something else.